When President Emerson Mnangagwa's government recently hosted the Southern African Development Community SADC Summit in Harare, it embarked on a massive public relations exercise, refurbishing the main airport, R.J. Mugabe International Airport, renovating some selected roads, building boulevard conference facilities, villas, showcasing the Chinese-built 100 million parliament, and visiting the president's well-funded pre-Cape farm in Sherwood. Panapa tinoona kuti government ya ED Mnangagwa inonyadzisiwa pamusoro pema-efforts ese akaita. Sana mena mashuka kudai nyogwa kuti subscriber like kuti on the bell icon. Tipina mligwa mchinzi. However, in the end, its expensive PR campaign backfired, resulting in a propaganda on go. The high-cost optics exercise could not hide Zimbabwe's dark underbelly of human rights abuses and brutality, instead of positively changing the narrative on how it is seen and regarded by neighbors as it had hoped, influencing public opinion and winning the hearts and minds while discrediting opponents. Government only managed to create a counter-narrative on human rights abuses due to its crackdown on civil society and opposition political activists amid arbitrary arrest and detention resembling colonial methods. Ultimately, the sweeping crackdown in human rights violations led to widespread criticism and more damage to Mnangagwa's already battered reputation, self-defeating on go. Panapa tikona kuti ayo mtukamiri wenyika ari kunze esi nema efforts akaita achida kuti aconvince kana kuti afadze ma SADC leaders kana ma presidents ne the regional bloc ayo azvina kuchenjesa state yenyika yeZimbabwe. Vana vachiti ma human rights abuses akatoita akatoramba achitowedzera ma tensions kana kutobvisa trust kune ma international observers nevagari venyika yeZimbabwe vachiti aiwa ari kutowedzera kutozvisoresa noda kuti vanhu vakutoramba vachitoziva chokwadi uye vakutoramba kusatomuda kana kusatomufarira. Ngotudze mafungo enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vagina comment section medu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.